Local news for Wednesday the 23rd of October. Community funding providers are holding information sessions for the public on the different types of funding available. The sessions are being held at the Carterton Event Centre on the 5th of November between 3 and 5pm and 5:30 and 7:30pm. Heritage New Zealand, Pohiri Taonga is holding a public meeting tonight to share plans for the Featherston Camp Interpretation Project. The public will be able to see the designs for the interactive sign, the 3D model that will be accessible by phone. Tonight's meeting is at 6:30pm at the Anzac Hall. Dozens of motorcyclists will take part in a Green Ribbon Riders Against Teen Suicide event this Labour weekend. Sunday's ride will begin at the Featherston War Memorial with registrations from 9am and finish up at the Farriers car park. All funds raised will go towards King Street Artworks. And in sport, the first of 3 weeks of Rural Touch begins tonight, which sees rural communities come together. 16 teams will compete in the mini tournament. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.